Boss, how much po for age 38? So, comment ito dun sa isang video ko wherein I shared a product na sabi ko, bakit ka pa kukuha ng VUL kung meron namang ganito na comprehensive na yung insurance tapos guaranteed pa yung mga benefits. So, ito, ang name ng product, AIAA Plus Signature is an endowment plan, male age 38, no? 20 years to pay. Ayan, nakalagay, male client. Tignan na natin dun sa pinaka-proposal. Alright, so ito. So, face amount, yun yung pinaka-basis, 250,000. Doble niyan, 200%, yun yung life insurance mo, 500,000. Tapos, may total and permanent disability ka na 250,000. In case of total and permanent disability, makukuha mo yung 250. May personal accident insurance din, in case of accidental death, 250,000 din. Alright, so additional siya from the 500 in case of accidental death, 750 makukuha ng family. Tapos may 10 critical illnesses na covered, 250,000 din yung coverage na yon. Tapos may enhanced waiver of premium in case of diagnosis of a covered critical illness or total and permanent disability. Ayan, meron niyang mga premiums. All in all, 40,177.92 lang per year for age 38. So, hindi na lalayo halos yan per age kasi mainly it's for the payout. Ang main benefit nitong A Plus Signature, you get 10% of this. So, 25,000 ng 10% ng 250K, 25,000 every 2 years up to age 100. Makikita nyo po yan dito sa illustration. So, sa illustration, ito, yung guaranteed cash payout. Guaranteed dyan, may cash payout ka every 2 years, 25,000. Magsisimula sa end of year 6, every 2 years hanggang mag-age 100 habang buhay ka. And in case of death, makukuha po yung 500,000 guaranteed ng pamilya mo. Tapos may accumulated dividends pa yan. Although this is not guaranteed, lumalaki yan pag hindi mo withdraw kasi nag-i-interest din siya, no, para siyang nakasave. Alright? Bukod doon, meron tayong mga covered critical illnesses, diba, nabanggit kanina. So, nandito yun sa listahan, yung mga covered illnesses. Ayan, yung mga sa accident insurance, etc. Ang mahalaga yung mga covered critical illnesses, cancer, coma, end-stage lung disease, heart attack, HIV, kidney failure, liver cirrhosis, stroke, terminal illness, and vital organ transplant. Kung namamahalan ka dyan sa 40,000 pa, pwede nating alisin yung mga riders, yung mga other benefits. Kung gusto mo yung savings lang at payout. So, pwede yan, aalisin natin. So, same yung coverage. No, mainly, A Plus Signature pa rin, but mainly, nakafocus tayo dun sa face amount na lang na 250,000. So, meron kang insurance na 500,000. And then, payout pa rin every 2 years, itong 250,000 times 10%, 25,000 every 2 years. 33,847 na lang, 0.50. So, sa halagang 3,000 to 3,500 a month, guaranteed na yung mga benefits na yon. Guaranteed yung life insurance mo, guaranteed yung paying period mo, 20 years to pay, by the way, yung pinakita ko na quotation. Tapos, guaranteed yung payout every 2 years. So, bakit ka pa nga naman mag-VUL kung meron ng ganito?